What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. By this time you would have already seen our previous videos of the Vista and the Citadel, and yes, we are still at Colbeck Manor in Old Harbour, a development by Chemtech, and we're giving you a view of the Monarch unit. Alright, I hope I pronounced it right, but just in case I got it wrong, the name is down below. So I'm just going to head back on the outside, show you the driveway and the patio, and get right back on the inside of this unit to show you what's going on. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and whole heap of space. Alright, so it's windy on the outside, but this is your driveway. As you can see, the landscaping is lovely. You have a lot of space at the front of your unit. You can choose what you want to do with it. And then we walk up to your patio, where you can just lay out your beautiful chairs. You can enter from any side that you wish. It's equipped with electrical plug right there and your lighting. And you can just imagine the light on the inside with this beautiful window. But let's go. So we're here in your open concept space, and I'm just going to show you what's going on before I tell you what you can do. Because if this is your unit, this space is originally designated for your living area. As you can see the space and how it's laid out. However, with your grill swinging right there, I'm not sure you'd want to put your television there, but that's totally up to you. Totally up to you. Alright, but this is a sitting area, and then when we turn, we will have this wall right here, and then this section for your dining room. Personally, I would use that section there for entertainment, as you can use sectionals to part of this room properly, and then you can always just use this space here for sitting if you wish. But this space can be split between your dining and also your living room space, because guys, it is a lot of space. As you can see for yourselves, the space is quite big, and it comes with your usual ceiling fan. And we'll just walk right around and head into the kitchen. As you can see, there's another 6-piece dining room set right there with a lot of floor space, so you can decide how you want to use the space. And then just tucked away in the corner here, we have our spacious kitchen. All right, so from living to dining to kitchen. All right, you have your breakfast counter right here for those who are working from home, or if you edit videos like I do, you can always use this counter. Just get your stools, and you have your electrical outlet right there. So this can be a multi-purpose counter. You prep your food, you eat your breakfast, or you grab a bite, as well as you can work from this counter right here. Alright, and as you can see, you have your fridge standing tall there in the space, as well as the cabinets continue throughout all the units in this development. Alright guys, so in our previous video, we would have shown you this tray right here at the side of the counter that can be used for your seasoning, alright, or small items that you want to tuck away. And you have your stove right here, beautifully tucked in between your counter space. And there's a lot of cupboard space, guys. A lot of space to store your pots. You have your drawers right there, and they are very big. Alright, and we have more cabinets over this side, and you have cabinets up top there. All right. So this also has the double sink as well as your window to let in a lot of light in your kitchen. So you can just look on the outside as you wash the dishes. If your kids are outside playing, you can see them there. Or if the sun is setting or rising, you can look on the outside there. If you just want to free your mind, just take a look on the outside. And on this side of the room, we have this massive wash area. All right, guys, it is very big. So you guys can choose to put in a linen closet in here if you wish. You have enough space for your washer and your dryer. You have your wash tub, and you can use the space of storage as well if you want. And the door to the backyard, which we will check out in a bit. All right, so we're going to leave the master bedroom for last. But to this side, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So in this room, as you can see, the furnitures are just stunning. They are beautiful, and they give this unit the feel that it deserves. All right, so as you can see, your chest of drawer right there. You have your nice bed right here, wrapped around with your ottoman. You have storage as well. This is actually the base of the bed. All right, and you have your another nightstand right there. So there's the closet and there's the storage. All right, so you guys cannot run out of space in this unit. As you can see, I'm now beside the closet, and that's your room right there. You have 2 huge windows to let in a lot of light, and your electrical right there for your ceiling fan. So let's turn our attention now to this bathroom that will be shared between the 2 bedrooms, as well as if you have guests over, they'll use this bathroom to wash their hands, do a number 1 or 2 if they please, or if they want to take a shower. We have our tub right here, your faucets, and a lot of natural light. So you have your medicine cabinet right there. You have your light fixtures right above your mirror, and your face basin, and your storage cupboard down below. So this is a 2nd bedroom of 3, and guys, I just love the furnitures in this unit. All right, so again, ceiling fan can be placed there. You have your bed, your chest of drawer, and you have a bigger closet in this room. More space up top, high ceilings, and still plenty of walk-in space. You can put a chair in here if you wish, or you can just leave it as is. Guys, and just look at this bed base. Storage, and more storage. All right. So for the moment you've all been waiting for, we're going to head right now into the master bedroom that is tucked on the other side of this unit. And here we go with this massive king-size bed, your nightstand there, chest of drawer there, but just look at the floor space. I don't know what you guys can do to finish the floor space in this room, but it's here to your disposal. Ceilings are high, windows are big, the room is bright, and guys, you just have to enjoy the space that is inside of this unit. All right, so on this side we have a walk-in closet. All right, so you guys will get your shelving. You set this up how you want it. Let me just step out so you can see what's happening. All right, you have your shelf above to pack away your suitcase or whatever it is that you want to store. Right there. There you go, guys. This closet is huge, and it's just tucked away right there in the corner. And then we head into the bathroom where you have your face basin right there, beautiful faucet, storage down below. With this one you get your mirror separate from your medicine cabinet right there. Alright guys, you have your towel rack and your toilet just below your face stall right there, and your standing shower, which is standing very tall. Alright, so you have your glass right there. It's not fully enclosed, but the tiles on the wall for the bathroom is looking lovely. And I cannot stress the natural light that you get in these houses, but I can tell you guys that you're actually getting value for your money. So alright guys, let's just head out on the outside to show you what it looks like. So here is your backyard space. It's cooled, it's windy. You have your fruit trees, and we have some mangoes on that tree right there. And guys, this is what you have to work with in your backyard. Alright, I don't know if you guys can ask for more, but do you really need more if you make a purchase for this unit? There you go, a lot of space to the back as well as to this side, and it's the same space on the other side. Alright guys, so you can choose to entertain your guests around the back here if you want to keep a little get together, or if you want to expand your unit, the space is yours. Alright, so thank you guys so much for taking the journey with us. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, if you have missed our previous two videos on the Citadel and the Vista, go right ahead, check it out on the channel. I'll put as much information as I can in these videos so that you will be informed. But just in case I've missed something, you can go ahead, contact Chemtech Development, and they'll provide you with all the information that you need. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for taking the journey, and I am heading back on the inside because honestly I feel like I want to stay, but unfortunately I can't. So guys, this is it from Chris Sam's property tour. Hope you guys found these videos to be interested. Remember to check out the other videos on our channel, and if you're new, subscribe, like, share, leave your comments, and we'll definitely keep you guys posted. So until next time guys, bye.